Hello, friend. Welcome back to this session mathematics. We have had quite a number of sessions today, but this is another one. It's about probability. Okay, probability, that is the number of possibilities. It's all about the fraction. Okay, that which fraction of this can happen, or which fraction of this one does not happen. So it's a game of possibilities. The question goes like this: a pair of fair dice is rolled and its outcomes recorded. Find the probability that the sum of two numbers showed up is at least 8, at most 10, exactly 10, exactly 1. Okay. Here's the solution. Here's the solution. First of all, we have to take note of the probability, the formula for probability. That we say probability, by definition, this is equals number of times the event occurs, or number of possibilities, number of events, then we divide by number in the sample space. Number of events over number of sample space. Okay, so now we have two dice. Each die has got 6 sides. So the first die, this is the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the second has this same set, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now they make a total of how many sample space, how many elements in the sample space. Okay, let's look at the first die. The first die will be this side. The first die has these possibilities, that is 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, and there's number 6. Then we have the second, this side, the second die. The second die, what are its possibilities? Okay, also has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, yeah, this table will help us to get the actual events. Okay, this is our table. This is our table. And what are the possible outcomes? If you count the number of boxes inside here, you get total sample space equals 36. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 6, that is 36. So in the first box here, we have 1 and 1. These two meet here. Here we have 2 and 1. There we have 3 and 1. 4 and 1. 5 and 1. 6 and 1. Then here we have 1 and 2. 2 and 2. 3 and 2. 4 and 2. 5 and 2. 6 and 2. Here we have 1 and 3. Then 2 and 3. Then we have 3 and 3. We have 4 and 3. There 5 and 3. 6 and 3. Here we have 1 and 4. 2 and 4. 3 and 4. 4 and 4. 5 and 4. 6 and 4. Here 1 and 5. 2 and 5. 3 and 5. 4 and 5. 5 and 5. Then 6 and 5. In the last column, we have 1 and 6, 2 and 6, 3 and 6, 4 and 6, 5 and 6, and 6 and 6, 6 and 6. So these are the possible outcomes. So when they tell you at least 8, so it means that number beginning from 8 upward, at most 10, number at the top 10 and below. Exactly 7, it means exactly 7. Exactly 1, it means exactly 1. So let's check here. Let's check here. We are talking of the sum of two numbers. And in our table, we have got two numbers. So you will see that sum equals 8. Okay, sum equals 8. Okay, let's start with this one. Can you say it is this, that? Sum equals 8, and this one. So since the question says at least, then it means from this line coming that side, going to the right, below and the right of that column which we have made. Then at most 10, let's look for 10. 10, I get the first 10 here. So it's this one, then this one, then that one. At most 10, it means 10 is the top, then going below. So it's from this line going to the left. This line going to the left. These are the possibilities. Exactly 7, let's find 7 from this one. Start with this one, 7. Then this. Actually, it moves diagonally. 7, 7, 7, 7. So this is the only diagonal where we take 7, which is exactly 7. So we just move along the diagonal. Exactly 1. Exactly 1. Okay, it's not there because this plus this you get 2. Because the smallest number here we have, the smallest pair of numbers we have is 1 and 1. When you add that one, you get 2. The rest are bigger than this one. So we find that this one is not there. Then what do?